Good morning, welcome back once again. It's warming up now, it's getting nice, nearly June, so I'm well chuffed. I got Leeds United tickets yesterday for Wembley, so me and Little are going down, and there's loads of people. I think there's about 10 of us, but they're all taking the wives and the girlfriends, so we're going to save some money and get a new bathroom. So I've just rented out a drive for the day. It's like 37 quid, right next to Wembley. I'm not messing on tube or trains then. Jump straight in car, drive all the way back. Sounds like an easy drive, so should be alright. But yeah, hopefully I won't be crying, because we never do out at bloody Wembley. It's always a sad day, so let's see. Maybe I'm the lucky one for the team. Let me show you what we've got anyway. So we've just got this to lay. It's like another 2 square metres down here. Over to there, and then put the gate on. The pergola has been done. Just need each corner, there's the post chopping, which I'm going to do this afternoon. One of the last jobs, so when Tom's laying this. I've got resin in. We go for like a grey really. It's like a light grey. At home I've got a dark grey and it's just black. So we used it. We're going to do something with this later on. She's getting some extras, so we'll probably do it then. But we've done joint it on all of this. Yeah, it's looking finished. Grass is finally standing up. Bit of rain we've had over the weekend. They've been watering it as well for us. Yeah, soil levels come up nice here. But as you can see, the foxes have been in. So decking's well and truly covered, so they can't dig into it. But yeah, we've got a garden. These lights are connected to Alexa. Smart bulbs. How the friggin' hell's it do that? I just don't get it. These cables are for the shed. So this main cable here will attach here, and then we'll come off of here into a new fuse board inside, which is always good, because when he does it I get more money, even though I haven't been here. Pays me a few more quid. These cables are for the lights, so they'll get chopped later to go into that box. Well, it's this box actually. It's this box here. So that'll get put on the wall when we know all those measurements and stuff. Yeah. Customer, we always say customer, take these off in a couple of days when that's all set. Let's have a walk down here. This is all done now. Needs a bit of gravel in there. Steps. And then on about putting some extra stepping stones, but says we'll come back next week if they want them in. Yeah, looking fresh. Take a still shot there because I've got a photograph from here. Big garage down here. It's a right dump before. Yeah, let's get this last few slabs down here and get this gate on. Then it's a big wash down. We always do a wash down. All that front garden, everything in tip, didn't skip. Right, it's end of day. Supposed to be doing 9 holes, but I'm not. I'm bloody knackered. I'm absolutely starving. So, in fact, let me turn this around for you. Put the step in and paved all of this. It's alright actually. We've got 4-inch cap at this side, 2.5, 3-inch at that side. There's no cuts. Just around corner where the step is. I'm going to point it up tomorrow and do a bit of gravelling down here and build this gate. Gate works out at 1 metre wide. It's not too bad. I can't say it's for disabled when there's a big massive step there, can you? But it helps. It helps getting stuff in and out. Better stuff. It's going to absolutely tonk it down tomorrow. So we're going to go here. I'm going to walk around. Go over to Wakefield. Walk around that. Suss it out. Sort digger out. Sort deliveries out. Boom, boom, boom. And then have an early day. Can't even say that we can go golfing, can we? When it's going to rain. Fair weather golfers, you know how it is. Right guys, see you in the morning. Right, it's next morning, it's raining. Wednesday morning. Finished in the back. Just going to walk on this walk so we don't walk on turf for 3 weeks. So, I'll just walk around here. Looks nice now. Looks good that it's raining actually, it brings out colour out in flags. We're just about to put the gate on. This looks a bit of an eyesore, but like I say, it's getting covered by the building and office from there down to roughly here, this post here, getting an office built. So they didn't want to return this wall because obviously it takes up more space, so the office would have to be smaller, like I said yesterday. So yeah, at least it's raining for turf. This is my best bit. A little bee brick in there. Beauty. Solitary bees. I love them. It's got a little message on it as well. Basically, if we didn't have bees, all humans would die within 4 years because of the food not being grown in the farms, etc, etc. But to be honest with you, I think I'd end up getting killed by other people pinching my food, if I'm honest. So probably won't even last 4 years. Let them. But yeah, it's a nice one. Just got to fit that gate and then we are done. Big Tomo down there. Whoop whoop. It's been a good job. Enjoyed it. Mainly bring in, not dig out. Obviously, we only had to take all the decking down and the garage down, but that's it really. Yeah, it's been nice. I've enjoyed it. Morning from freezing cold Wakefield, Charleston. Bloody freezing. So here we are, new job. So we've got a metre back here, metre bed all the way up that side, all the way over side with a block going around your perimeter of your turf. And then up here, it's quite an easy job compared to the last one. Up here we've got Indian stone running from this wall here around shed and down there in that sunken area, keeping walling, putting tiles on it with a black coping, I think, black limestone coping. Yeah, it's quite a good one, quite nice and big and plain, whereas the other one was small and had everything in it, didn't it? So, ow, tripping over that curb. Keeping this curb in, but they might change it for a sleeper depending on his height, because well, if you look at fence is going down 2 inch every post, so obviously Tom's uphill up there, so it's not going to be flat, is it? But yeah, nice one, nice fresh start. Should just take us, I'm hoping back end of next week, start a week after. See how hungover I am from Wembley. didn't do a video before I went. So it's all dug out, obviously with digger. It's fabulous tree stump to get out some point next week. I think every time we get half an hour spare, we'll dig onto that, you know, jump on that and do that for like 10 minutes or whatever. This is going a bit lowered patio, step up onto the new patio, onto the other patio, should I say. Extra sleeper across there, and pikey fences have come in and not took that out, not put a gravel board in, and can you see this? Makes Tom feel sick. Put the posts upside down, every one of them. Can't see it now because it pushes up, every one of them, and this is the right way. You'd think you'd just look at that, wouldn't you, and then go put them posts in same way, but there you go, that's what you get. His homework for this week is chop that bush down so we can walk through there without damaging it. Not chop it down, tidy it up, make it a bit thinner. But yeah, we've got 8-yarder coming today and an 8-yarder coming on Tuesday. Going to exchange it because it's bank holiday Monday, innit? So whilst we're just waiting about for Skip, just started jet washing this because we're regrouting it. But he thinks it's Indian stone, but I don't think it is. It's too glossy. And like they're 560s, which is your old size Indian stone. And these ones here, where are they? This one here, it's just an odd shape and you don't get that. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sizes, and in Indian stone it's all 4 different sizes. Yeah, but look at this. Got this from Cash Converters. 35 quid 4 years ago, and I use it a lot. Every job we wash down. My patio's constantly getting cleaned at home. We've got Indian stone. And 35 quid. Who needs a Karcher for 300 and odd when you got this beast? Cash Converters, I'm telling you. So you need to go. Right guys, it is Friday, 3 o'clock. I am on my way home. Finishing early. Tomorrow, I run around with kids every Saturday morning. Got acting school, got football with like one twins at acting school, other twins at football. At 5's a Celtic, so I'll go there. And then afternoon is my time because our lass is in the shop. So that means I am going to do 9 holes tomorrow, 3 o'clock. Sunday, obviously, it's the Leeds game. So I'm going down to Wembley at about 8:30 in the morning. We've hired a parking space, 30 quid, right next to Wembley. So it's not too bad. And then I'm just going to come straight back home. Going to have a chiller rather than... There's loads of us going down, but everybody's taking the girlfriends and stuff. So I'm just gonna chill out, but they're all taking the girlfriends, so it's gonna cost about £1,000, you know, for everybody to go down. So I'm just not doing it. Just relax. So hopefully we'll win. Let's see if I come back as a Premier League player. Premier League football team. Full of disappointment next year if we do, I'm telling you now. So, right guys, peace out. I will see you on Tuesday. It's bank holiday. See you on Tuesday. Have fun.